100% of the day, so I'm just going to go for a drive. Hopefully that's fine. Thanks so much for checking out my video. If you would, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. It really helps. I do put out a video at least once or twice a week. It's either going to be car stuff or Fallout stuff or whatever I feel like doing, although lately I'm getting pretty into Starbase. I do stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Although most of the time I get bored, I go live on Thursday and Saturday anyways. But if I am live, 9 p.m. Central, twitch.tv/Rotomon. If you want to check out all my links, rotomon.com. I have merch, shoprotomon.com. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you on the next one. Later, everybody.